Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change contact permissions granted to our applications. So to turn off permissions for our applications to see our contacts informations, we have to go to the settings, then security and privacy options, and at the bottom here we have permission manager. Here we're looking for contacts. Right now, 9 out of 19 installed applications are allowed to see our contacts. Let's see what it's here. Allowed. These applications are allowed to access our contacts. These are not. So let's revoke our permission. For example, Google, I don't want you to have our contacts permission, and now it's gone from this list, and now Google is not allowed to see our contacts. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.